If money is always running away from you, then something is chasing it away, honestly. Hello, welcome to this channel. On this very channel, we'll talk about real life growth and understanding ourselves better. Rate this video from 1 to 10 at the end. Be honest, it will help me to serve you better. You cannot rate this video if you don't watch to the end, so stay put. Let's not lie to ourselves. So many people are working very hard. Oh my God, a lot of people are working extremely hard, breaking their back, but they are still broke. So what is really happening? What is the problem? Let us break it down in a way that even unexperienced person, a child, will understand this. First of all, you need to know the things that are causing you to struggle. One of them is your environment. It is the silent controller of your effort, but you don't know. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. It is very strong. People neglect it. People are ignorant of it. The people around you, the things you see every day, the conversation you hear, they are shaping your life without you knowing it. If you are always around people who complain, people who don't grow, people who laugh at ambition, you will slowly become like them. Remember, birds of same feather flock together. And what you open your mind to every day, that is what you will become. Everywhere you live matters. And anywhere you live matters. If you are in a place where nobody is thinking bigger, where nobody is dreaming big, then you have a problem. Your mind will shrink without your permission. You won't even know when you started losing yourself. You started losing ambition. Let's take, for example, someone wakes up every morning in a noisy area where survival is the only topic. The friends around always talk about quick money, shortcuts. Days turns into months. Months into year. Nothing changes. Not because the person is lazy, but because the environment keep recycling, it keep recycling the same mindset over and over again. It is like planting a good seed in a bad soil. It will struggle. Another thing that makes you struggle is you yourself. You might be the problem without knowing. This one is hard to accept. Nobody wants to believe, and nobody will agree that he or she is the problem. But it is very powerful. Have you checked yourself? Sometimes the problem is not outside, it is inside. It could be your mindset. Yes, if you have a very shallow mindset, what kind of result do you think you produce? So you can see that your mindset can be the problem. Your habit, your daily action. Anything you do every day and you feel it does not matter, on the long run, it matters. You might be doing the wrong thing again and again, expecting a different result. That is not possible. This statement now defeats that word. Consistency is the key. Consistency is not the key. Consistency is only the key if you are doing the right thing. You might be doing nothing at all, but hoping for a miracle. That does not work too. It does not work. Many people want money, but they don't want to be disciplined. They don't want to apply discipline in what they do. They want results, but they avoid discomfort. But let's be honest, procrastinating, avoiding learning will not lead you anywhere. These things look small, but they destroy big dreams, whether I like it or not. Your life is a reflection of what you do consistently. You might not believe it, but over time, you will believe it. There's something again you need to know. I am an African man. Yes. And a lot of people will say, this is not important. It has no role in what is happening to me. The third thing that could be the reason why you are struggling, it could be a spiritual problem. People ignore this factor a lot. Yes, I know you will not like to hear this, but believe in me, don't pay the hard way due to your ignorance. I'm just telling the truth. Now, many people don't like this part at all. We'll talk about spiritual things. And I want you to know that being spiritual has nothing to do with being religious. For the fact that you are spiritual, it has nothing to do with religion. You understand? Many people don't like this part at all. They say I'm not religious. But listen carefully. Being spiritual is not about being religious. You understand? It's about awareness. It is about what? Awareness. There are things you cannot see, but they affect you. Your thoughts, your energy, your inner life, they control your outer life. Your mind is full of fear, doubt, jealousy. It will block your growth. But you don't know that. If you ignore this part of your life, you may suffer without understanding why. Honestly, some people work hard and nothing moves for them. Not because they are not trying, not because something deeper is off it, but when your inner life is disorganized, your outer life will follow. This is what you need to know. So now that you have discussed the problem, let's fix the problem. The first thing is to change environment. If you can't move physically, move mentally. Yes, you can actually not be in your physical environment mentally. Start listening to better conversation. Watch content that grow your mind. These are the things you can be doing to help you move mentally. Stay around people who challenge you, not people who comfort your excuses. Everyone has a good voice in your life. That cannot change you, understand? That cannot change you. But certainly, if one person has a good voice that you need in your life, it can change you. Not everyone. The second thing I would say you need to do is to fix your life daily. Start small, let me tell you. Wake up, do something productive, learn a skill. Reduce distraction. Don't wait for anybody to motivate you. And most especially, you cannot underestimate what discipline can do in your life. You cannot certainly say that discipline does nothing. Everybody you have seen at any point in time, at the peak of their career, or at whatever thing they are doing, believe me, there is a pattern that they adhere to. And that pattern, for them to be adhering to such thing, it is a product of what discipline can do. So, if you can agree with me, small daily action creates big future results. The third thing I would like you to do is to work on your inner life. Calm your mind. Think positively. But also act wisely. You understand? Beware of your thoughts. And let me tell you, make sure that your spiritual life is sound. It has nothing to do with being religious. It has nothing to do with what faith am I. You will not believe this, but the spiritual controls the physical. You might not like to hear this, but believe in me, there are spiritual principles that we as men we keep ignorantly, and it makes things work for us. We will think it is by our principles, and you don't know that even the principle that you are keeping, that the principles that even spirits respect, spirits they adhere to. I don't know if you understand me. This seed time and harvest, sow and reap, the spirit knows about it. Is something that when you put to the ground, it will definitely bring out something, whether good or bad. You will receive something in return. So if you don't find yourself doing something productive, nothing will definitely come to you. You understand? So take time to reflect. Pray if you believe. Meditate if you understand that it will work for you. Don't just ignore your life. You understand? Don't ignore your life because you feel what is happening. You have given in your best and it is not being productive. Don't ignore your spiritual life. It could be the problem. See, money is not hard to get, but one thing is certain: if your environment is wrong and your actions are wrong, your inner life is scattered too. Money will greet you from afar and keep going. But once you align with these things that I've said, then things will begin to change. It will not be magical, it will start to align. You understand? Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, rate this video from 1 to 10. Be honest. And if this open your eye even a little, you also start your journey now. You understand? And I believe that you will do better in life. Like and subscribe. Thank you.